So today we're going to be talking about crypto affiliate marketing, and this is something that's becoming a very competitive niche and a very big topic. Why crypto is because, again, it is a risky path, but a lot of people are doing it as a way because they enjoy trading, and trading is a way to get consistent revenue. So if you don't know what affiliate marketing is basically converting sales into big profit by through a blog, through a video, or whatever it is. Now, with crypto, it's a bit different as I have been in the crypto industry on and off for about 4 years, 5 years almost. And taking a long break from it, I did see it's becoming more competitive, but new traders are coming into the crypto space. So crypto trading and crypto exchanges are getting popular, and there's a lot of money to be made. Again, this is not guaranteed profit. This is just affiliate marketing. So what you're trying to do is build a community and trying to get new users. Now, the number one mistake a lot of people do is actually not picking the right exchange. So for example, I use 2bit. If you guys want to join under my link, we can get started. Or anyway, I use 2bit, which link in the description below if you guys want to sign up and, spread affiliates, because that's one way you can get these rewards. They even give free chances on the La Liga competition, and they have trading bots. The second part is actually building your community. So a lot of people don't build a correct community and just think that, people will sign up with affiliates and deposit. So the difference with affiliate marketing in crypto and in general is that when you're selling a product, this is it. One time you sell a product and that's it, right? Through, like, for example, let's say you sell shovels and you sell one shovel and you get money. Well, with crypto, it's a bit different because it's much more competitive, as if you get a trader, there's even traders trading 5 years from now, 10 years from now, under your code. And every time they make a trade, you make a revenue. So yeah, it is possible to make passive income, but you have to work for it. And this is the big problem. People just think that, they will build money. No, you got to ask yourself, how are you going to provide value in having the actual user base come to you? So if you're just thinking, okay, this is going to make me money if I just buy ads or something like that, no, that's absolutely not going to work. Again, crypto is becoming much more competitive. It's hard to get users nowadays. Affiliate marketing and, promos and stuff like that, there's many exchanges that will want to work with you. So first, pick off an exchange. You can click over here. Get signed up. So use the link in the description below, and what will happen is you will be asked to sign up, and after you sign up, bam, that's it. Like now you can go under here. You can actually check affiliates. So it should be here on the affiliate program, and it's going to show you all your data. And then, using this link, you can basically get new users onboarded. But first of all, you got to think, what value do you provide to people? Like, what kind of service do you do that people will want to use your link or use your trade? Is it that you made an awesome tutorial? Is it that you made a pretty cool guide? Is it that you're a pretty good trader and want to refer other people? Like, what's your passion? Because just thinking that like crypto you can be making a lot of money is not that thing. So here's my plan, for example, for 2026 is, yes, I am going to be doing, as everyone else, I'm going to be doing Bitcoin and XRP price analysis. But as you can see, I launched something I wanted to launch back in 2021, but never had time to do. Crypto tutorials. Now, this is not going to be useful for 99%. Why? Because this is going to get you absolutely no views, but there is absolutely zero competition to be doing this. So these are the two plans I am making. There's no views. You can't really refer people this way. So you have to think, okay, maybe I can be a trader. How well do you know trading? Do you know what a stop loss is? Do you know what a limit versus market is? Do you know how to get people to be a good personality? Do you know how to keep users? And are you right most of the time to be an actual user by itself? And that's what you really have to ask yourself for. What kind of value do you give? Now, I do sound like a broken record, but it really doesn't matter what exchange you work with. And again, I am using 2bit because I find them pretty awesome and it's easy to get started and you do get some rewards. You could work with multiple exchanges, but better to just focus on one or two. The number one mistake is you try to work with 30 exchanges and like you get no users on all of them. If you just focus on one that, converts best, that's the better way. So affiliate marketing, is it still worth it in 2026? Times have changed. It's more on being a content creator and pushing out your brand than just having a blog, which is harder to convert, than just having faceless AI videos, which are 10 times harder to convert. It's proven that videos that feature a face in it actually do convert better, 8 times better. It's 8 times easier to convert people. And I think that's a pretty important factor. It's going to be really hard to grow on YouTube without a face nowadays unless you're a really good trader. And then you're going to be competing against these people that have been doing crypto for 5 years, and bam, there we are at the start. So number one is you can sign up in the link description below, get started with me, or get started on 2Bit. Even if you're trading, if you want us to get started learning trading, they do give a free bonus out there. Do understand this is going to be a hard path ahead, but it is rewarding, maybe even more than other affiliate marketing events. And that's what I really, really consider you doing, and smash that like button. But third of all, do understand that you need to understand at least some basics of crypto if you want to make it here out long term. So 2Bit just partnered with La Liga. It's pretty cool what affiliate marketing is becoming, but it's getting more and more users and actually getting to the deposit. You could get users that just want free rewards or just want to use the vouchers, but they're not going to deposit. And the big traders, they're going to stick to their own exchanges. There's no reason for them to change. You got to give them a reason to change the exchanges. But for new users, the retail is kind of off right now. So also consider that retail has still not recovered from 2021, ending on that. So what do you guys personally think about that? See you soon.